Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Huion tablet, Huion U1060, and now I'm going to show you how to restore all settings on this device to the default. So there are only two ways to make it. So the first way is to remove the driver for your device, Huion driver. To do it, you need to open the settings, find your apps, it's here, and find your Huion tablet and just uninstall it. Or the second way is to open the Huion tablet application, open, do not remove. Here click on the settings on the right top corner of the app interface, and click backup, and click default settings, and click restore defaults. Okay, defaults are successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.